Little storyteller.
Nimbus the cloud was a happy, fluffy cloud, who loved to drift over the world and watch what everyone was doing. He had soft, white edges like cotton candy, and giggled with a sound like gentle wind chimes. One sunny morning, Nimbus floated over a very special place, a candy factory. It had tall, rainbow-colored chimneys, puffing out sweet-smelling steam, and the roof sparkled like it was covered in sugary sprinkles. As Nimbus floated by, a big gust of sweet, fruity air tickled his cloud belly. He chuckled, and suddenly, little tiny things started to fall out of him. They weren't raindrops. Oh no. These were tiny, colorful blocks, just like Lego bricks, but they smelled like yummy fruit. There were red ones that smelled like strawberries, yellow ones that smelled like bananas, and green ones that smelled like juicy apples. Below Nimbus, in a sunny green park, a group of happy children were playing. There was Lily with her bright pink bow, Tom with his blue overalls, and Sam with a friendly smile. Suddenly, they noticed the colorful rain of tiny bricks falling all around them. "Wow!" cried Lily, picking up a little red brick. "It smells like strawberries." Tom picked up a yellow one. "And this one smells like banana. They're like edible Legos." Sam's eyes widened with excitement. "We can build things, and then eat them." The children started building. Lily made a little strawberry red house. Tom built a tall banana yellow tower, and Sam created a long apple green train. They giggled and shared the different flavored bricks. It was so much fun to build something yummy, and then take a little bite. Nimbus watched from above, his fluffy form shaking with happy silent laughter. He loved seeing the children having so much fun with his accidental fruity rain. As the sun began to set, the fruity brick rain slowed down and finally stopped. The children had built wonderful creations, and eaten even more wonderful snacks. "That was the best day ever," said Lily, giving Tom and Sam a high five. They all agreed. Sharing the yummy bricks made building and playing even more fun. Nimbus smiled wider than ever, feeling happy that his little accident had brought so much joy. It showed him that sometimes, the most fun things happen when you share with your friends.
Please subscribe. Thank you.